Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Hello everyone. As you all might be aware that the government has banned around 59 Chinese apps in India, our intelligence agencies have given a red flag against these apps. Now the time has come to find alternatives to these Chinese apps. In today's video, we will be focusing on the most popular Chinese apps that you must uninstall in your phone right now, and I'll also recommend the best alternatives to these apps. The alternative apps are much safer and better, and of all, it is not Chinese. So let's get started. So I'll be dividing the apps into 12 different categories. Our first category is social media. The apps that you must uninstall are TikTok, Like, Quai, and Vigo Video. The alternatives for these apps can be YouTube, Dubsmash, and Triller from US. And in case of India, you can use Ropozo and Bolo India. Our second category is file transfer apps. The apps that you must uninstall here is ShareIt and Zender. The alternatives for these apps can be Files by Google and GeoSwitch and ShareAll from India. Our third category is utility and tools. The app that you must uninstall here is Cam Scanner. Now the alternatives for these apps can be Adobe Scan and Microsoft Office Lens. Our fourth category is internet browsers. The app you must uninstall is UZ Browser. There are many alternatives here. The most popular one is Google Chrome and Firefox. Talking about Indian alternatives, you can use Geo Browser and Epic Web Browser. Our fifth category is video calling apps. The app that you must uninstall here is Zoom Video Calls. The alternatives that you can use are Google Meet and Microsoft Meet and Skype Meet. Indian alternatives are Cisco WebEx, GeoMeet, and Say Namaste. Our sixth category is video editing app. The app that you must uninstall here is Viva Video. The alternatives that can be used are KineMaster and Power Director. Our seventh category is photo editing apps. The apps that you must uninstall is Beauty Plus and YouCam Perfect. The alternatives are PixArt, Candy Camera, and B612. Our eighth category is shopping apps. The apps that you must uninstall here is AliExpress, Shein, and Club Factory. The alternatives can be Amazon, Flipkart, LimeRoad, and Agio. Our ninth category is social messaging apps. The app that you should uninstall is WeChat. The alternatives are WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook Messenger. The 10th category is junk cleaner apps. The apps that you must uninstall is CleanMaster and DU Speed Booster. There is no need for alternatives here because your phone can manage all these tasks by itself. Our 11th category is Office apps. The app that you must uninstall here is WPS Office. The alternatives can be Microsoft Office and Google Drive itself. Our 12th category is News app. The app that you must uninstall here is UC News. The alternative for this is Google News. So that's it guys. It is really uplifting to me that our government is taking action now, and it's time we stand together and support our government. Share this video to all of your friends so that they can be aware of these Chinese apps and see to that they will uninstall them. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.